I was just discussing this one. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this was one of the specials that were built to be in conjunction with flotation bags along the side. I'll have to check on that, I might be wrong, but I know there's one or two surviving examples. Very, very large rubber tanks fitted through them so they could actually float across the river. Specifically for the Dutch Army, I think there might have been one or two overseas customers for them, but these were part of a whole series. There was a 3-axle version of this as well, and a much larger cargo carrying version. But these were based very similarly on the Dodge 3/4 ton weapons carrier. We'll see hopefully a few examples of those this afternoon. But the lines and the design cues are very much taken from those wartime Dodges, but improved upon. So if you look at the position of this spare wheel, that is just because there was a 1970s and the 80s, the long wheel, several rivers crisscrossing, with the owner. But that's also joined in the arena by a very, very interesting vehicle. This is a Dutch DAF YA-126. Now this is effectively one ton truck placed very, very closely, ready for exercises. So the Dutch DAF company, now just a truck and bus manufacturer, but back then they also a car manufacturer. They take